Hi, welcome everyone. This is room 11119, Park MGM. Whoa. All right, we've got a 2-queen room here at Park MGM. Yes, it is your basic standard room. This is what you'd get for probably your cheaper to not cheapest room here at Park MGM. It's not too bad. Actually kind of nice and cozy looking. Nice little view of New York, New York. The roller coaster. Toshiba Plaza, that's where the Golden Knights play. And lots of concerts. All right, to the room. We said 2 queen beds. Looks like we got some nice artwork on the wall, something different that you normally see in most hotel rooms. You actually have some photography, which is kind of nice for a change. It's a more modernized room. And it is set up kind of in a boutique style. It's pretty cool. A little different than anywhere here on the Las Vegas Boulevard. Here's your TV. Got a nice little table with chair. And you got a media hookup. This room does not come with a mini bar, but you have a little snack station if you need something and can't get out of your room to get it. Full-size mirror. This room does connect to another room because you have a large group. Here you have your closet with your safe and your iron, some dresser drawers, ice bucket and cups, ironing board. And then you have a sliding pocket style door that opens up into your restroom. It's a smaller restroom. Most of these here come with just one sink. And the toilet. A little shelving for your towels. It does have a nice shower though. Pretty good sized shower. Yeah, that's about all of it. Once again, this is your 2-queen room at Park MGM, room 11119. Please give us a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.